get my foot out of the way.
Yeah, that would help. Got one kitten entertained in the bag, and the other bigger kitten entertained outside of the bag.
Just turn to Mark and say, where's Kitten? Where's Perry then?
Oops. He meant you fat lump.
Oh.
Oi,
Yeah, I know.
who are you calling a fat lump? Yes, who's so silly?
Let's make it more interesting.
Yay,
I
Banzai!
think you hit the kid on the head there.
It's a kitten in a bag.
And out comes a jingle ball.
Jingle ball, jingle
All the way.
Come on then.
Oh dear.
It moved.
Ugh.
Kill it, kill it, kill it, lots, kill it. Kill, 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 kill.
Perfectly jingle.
You should have seen it earlier with all the presents.
Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Nope. Do you really think you'll fit in there?
He does, actually.
Well, true, it's a big bag.
Very big bag. He found the jingle ball. Yeah, don't do that, please. I think they're getting bored of this.
Yeah. It stopped moving. It's less entertaining now. Then again.
Oh dear. You know, yeah, I bet they'll be still playing with this by the end of the day.
Nope, I'm going to sit on it. It's mine.
Yep, that's Bagder's his.